Hey, Sharon here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Canva in order to create YouTube thumbnails. So by the time this video is over, you'll be able to go into Canva and create your own thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. And here's how you do it. It's as simple as this. In the search templates, type YouTube thumbnail, and you'll get a whole bunch of options to choose from. And pick one that you think matches your brand. You can customize any of them, so really pick the layout that you like. I'm going to pick this one because it is a business channel, a B2B, working with financial advisors. The name of the video was 5 Designation Decision Drivers. Alright, so you can make the text space wider, and then you can also make the text itself smaller so that it fits in the space allowed. And so you can simply modify the size of the text, and you can even arrange what it fits in here. I'm going to make this as large as I possibly can. 5 Designation Decision Drivers. I actually like the colors. I do want to put my logo on it. I need to upload it, so you can find your logo on your hard drive, and then see, the orange on it matches my brand a little bit, so I think I'm going to put it down here in the corner. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's not like fantastic, but that's what I'm going to go with. So now that I've made changes to this, if you wanted to change out the picture, you could simply upload a new picture and throw it in there. But this is perfectly great for what I need it for. So if you're not sure if it's saved, it usually says all changes saved. You can go to File and hit Save. And then when you're ready to download it, you simply hit Download. And that's it. That's how you create a custom thumbnail using Canva. It's as simple as that. I hope that you found this helpful. I appreciate you watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so I can help you get your business up and running online with these super simple tech tutorials and more.